Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. Hope you guys are well by the grace of Almighty. This is Untitled Tareq with you. Today I'm going to show you that how to customize Chrome interface like this. So first of all, you have to go on your Chrome browser, then you have to search night tab, and then you have to follow this link, https://chrome.google.com store details night tab. Okay, follow this link. And then you have to click Add to Chrome. The extension will download soon, and then you have to give permission, and then you have to click Add extension. The extension is downloading. Till then wait. Okay, extension download complete. Then what you have to do, you have to click at extension icon and then pin this extension, and then open a new tab, and then click at keep it. As you can see, here is a default theme, so you can customize this theme. What you have to do, you have to, if you wanna customize the background color, you have to click at color and then give any color from here. As you can see, color is changed. And then if you wanna change the app's icon color, you have to click at accent and then select the color. Okay, I'm going to select this color. If you wanna customize more, you have to click at settings icon. From here you can resize the app's icon and then area, and here is much more setting, and also there is 11 pre-modded theme from night tab. I'm going to show you all of this. As you can see, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah blah blah, and this 11 theme. If you want to use all of this theme, you have to use the theme file from here. I will upload the theme file on my Google Drive, and I will give the download link on my description box. So if you wanna use all of this theme, you have to upload this theme from here. You have to click at settings and then click at data and then click on import data. Okay, then you have to go at file location. I'm going to the file location. This is the file, and then you have to upload the dot extension file. So I'm going to upload this file, number 11 screenshot. This is the demo. Then I'm going to upload this theme. Okay, and select this theme and then open. Okay, as you can see, this theme is uploaded. So I'm going to upload another theme. So I'm going to upload this theme. As you can see, the name is screenshot 010.png. This is the theme demo, and then we have to upload the theme file. So what we have to do, you have to click at settings and then click at data and then click on import data. So this is maybe number 10 screenshot 010.json. Select this file and then click on open. Okay, as you can see, this theme is also uploaded like this. So this is the proper process to change the Chrome interface. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.